Today we're going to be talking about something that I actually haven't discussed on my channel before, and that is sourcing on Alibaba.com. It is by far one of the most popular places to get viral, trendy products, source them, and sell them on Amazon and eBay. And you can get these products wholesale. You can find out what's trending. Alibaba.com right now is actually having their March Expo, and you can see the details of that on the left side of the screen here. They have over 1 million new products. They have guaranteed shipping. You get free shipping this month if you're brand new to Alibaba.com. They have 6,000 data-driven top-selling lists that you can pick from. Find things that are going viral. Find things that are selling, that are growing in popularity. You know, really lock in on those trends before they get oversaturated. So yeah, again, if you are a new buyer, you will get free shipping on your first order for the March Expo. It's going on throughout the end of March. So we are going to talk about some of the things that you might see trending on social media, TikTok, Instagram. These ads that you see very often are people who are sourcing from Alibaba.com and putting their name or their brand on the item, put their logo on it. They're able to work with the elite partners, the elite sellers, to get it a little bit more customized, make it a little different, and then those products sell. This is actually something that I'm going to be doing more of, and I've already purchased from Alibaba.com in the past. I'm going to give you ideas for sourcing on Alibaba.com, ways to maximize your listings. It's definitely a new area. It's different from thrifted clothing and thrifted items, but it makes sellers a lot of money. It's a really smart way to source inventory, and it's definitely one way to level up your business. Okay, first of all, one area that I see a lot of viral trending products is on social media. For example, I've seen a lot of these shower heads with beads in them. They are viral, they are selling out. They might be a little oversaturated now, but just as an example, let me show you. Okay, this is just one example of a shower head. This person, the seller, has put their brand on it. It has sold, if we want to assume 1 or 2 reviews per 50 or 100 customers, I mean, you can see right here, it's probably sold well over 100,000 times. This is a shower head that has beads in it. I've seen it all over TikTok and Instagram, and you can actually source something just like this on Alibaba.com. Shower head with beads. Let's go look for it. And sure enough, here we are, you guys. Already I see. So right here you can see that this is the shower head that's kind of going viral, that has gone viral. Again, it might be oversaturated now, but this is a high pressure shower head that, again, has kind of gone viral on TikTok, and you can buy them for $1.54 per 100 to 1,000 pieces on Alibaba.com. The shipping time is just 3 to 7 days. One way you can find elite partners on Alibaba.com, make sure that they have 4.8 stars at least for their average star review. And you can see that here. They have this seller, you should technically, for elite partners, they need at least 15 reviews that are 4.8 stars or above. But this is just an example. They need a response rate of 90% or better. 5 years of selling experience on Alibaba.com. That's another way you can tell if someone is a good supplier for you. This person has 12 years. Again, you're just going to look at the data on the left side of my screen here. All of that just points to just a manufacturer that you can trust. You'll get your items. You do want to verify that the supplier is willing to work with you, has a good response rate, just in case you do want to put your brand or your logo on it. It is so important, though, when you're finding these viral products, you have to have something for you that stands out. So a lot of times when you discover the trend, it's already oversaturated. So something to think about is to get ahead of the trends before they start. For example, if I search shower head with beads on Amazon, I get 276 results for that, which means there's quite a few people selling. Either they are sponsoring at a very high ad rate, or a very high pay-per-click rate, which is really normal. It's not uncommon for some of these sellers who are maybe trying to launch their private label product to lose quite a bit of money in the first few months just with the amount that they're spending in advertising. What they're banking on is once it gets enough reviews and once it gains enough momentum, gets to the front page, they don't need to do quite as much advertising, if any at all, and they're able to consistently sell their product. You can see here that this seller on Amazon has differentiated their product by adding colors, and they're charging a little bit more. It has 181 reviews, which means it is selling. It is on the front page, which is a good sign. So one idea is to take these viral products that you're seeing, put your label on, and then differentiate it in some way. Add something fun, add something unique. This also sells on eBay. You know, you can just choose. You want to sell on eBay, Amazon, whichever one you prefer. These products from Alibaba.com can definitely be sold on eBay as well. Something else that I've seen go viral are these keyboards that you can attach to your desktop that have ASMR qualities. They're clacky and loud. They look like typewriters almost. Let's go ahead and search for that. Okay, here we go. So we're seeing some that light up, some with these circular keys. They have ASMR. Okay, I see one here that's like a retro vintage typewriter. A lot of the trends I'm seeing lately are geared towards retro, vintage, classic, things that I probably grew up with. I grew up with loud keyboards, but they're coming back just like mom jeans and everything else. So now let's look for it on Amazon and see how it sells. And here we go. We see one that's very similar. Looks a little bit like it's been differentiated, over 1,000 reviews, 5-star. That means it's sold at least 10,000 times or more. You see pink ones. There's some really cute different steampunk versions, variations. What's nice about working with an elite partner on Alibaba.com is you can have them customize your item, work back and forth with drafts and with models, ideas that you have before you purchase. They can send you samples, and then you can use those samples and decide if it's something that you want to sell and that's going to work for you. Another idea is if you have something from Alibaba.com, like some kind of Lego playmat. So let's say you search on Alibaba.com for Legos or Lego playmat, and you come across something like this. This is one of the Lego playmats that you can collect. It's a lot easier to clean up the Legos after you use them with your kids. As you guys know, with parents, Legos can be everywhere. The response time, the response rate, on-time delivery rate. This seller has only been selling for a year, but appears to have 4.9-star feedback with only 7. You do want ideally 15 feedback at least or more. This seller on Alibaba.com has some different variations you can get, and let's go ahead and look them up on Amazon. And here we go. We see right away someone has some sponsored posts. We see right here, we see someone has their brand label on it, 211 feedback. That means it is selling decently well. This is a consistent seller for this person. Right here, collapsible storage. It's got over 1,700 5-star feedback or 4.5-star feedback. It's being sold for $35. Now let's look at what Alibaba.com has it for. Anywhere from $319 to $14.99 a piece. This is part of the March Expo as well. It does vary, but that's not a bad turnaround. What one could do is, let's say, I'm looking on Amazon, and when I search Lego playmat, I get 128 results. It is a little saturated. There's a lot of people. You have to compete with people on the front page of this website. So one thing you could do, because we're thinking gifts, right? We're thinking baby showers. We're thinking birthday gifts. A lot of people are searching for gifts or bundles on Amazon. You can bundle this with Lego supplies, Lego tape. Make it a really customized bundle with not just the Lego playmat, but some Lego tape along with it, or a large Lego tile where you can build sets on those tiles. Something like that might catch somebody's eye and differentiate you from the competition just enough that you're able to show up on the front page and get some sales. It is seriously so fun to go on Alibaba.com and brainstorm and think of ideas for your business. I'm not kidding, I could spend hours here, and I have, looking for things that I could sell, looking for things I can bundle, looking for what's trending. It can be tricky though. You're going to have competition, of course. This is a whole different avenue. This is not just thrifted clothing with one-offs. This is something that you are going to want to take the time to design and plan and work with your manufacturer and make it different and special from just the standard competition. Of course, if you're ahead of the curve enough, you can get these items and you can sell them without tons of branding and try that and see if it works out for you. If you get on the front page of Amazon, you do kind of become a lightning rod for competition. So it can be a little tricky. You can always sell on eBay if that's a little bit scary to you. As I look forward in my business to pregnancy, delivery, I am looking a lot harder for replenishable items that I can sell on Amazon that will, in a way, make me more passive income than going to the thrift and finding things one-off, which I still love doing, and it's a great return on investment. This will take more time, energy, and thought, but this is a large part of what I've been doing. When I say I'm working on Amazon, I'm doing this. I'm researching on Alibaba.com. I'm finding things that I can sell. Again, their March Expo is going on right now. You'll get free shipping on your first order. You can work with elite partners and find them with the qualifications that I've mentioned. Thousands, tens of thousands of products and people to work with. It really is a fantastic place to source inventory, and you can often get it very quickly and work with partners very efficiently. So like I said, I invite you all to take this journey with me. I'm going to be taking you into a little bit more detail with how my products are doing, how I'm able to sell them. I would love to expand into more chat about Amazon, and I think this is a great way to do it. Of course, I can't share exactly what I'm buying, but what I can share is how I'm packaging it, how I am selling it, how I'm working with Amazon, how I've worked with manufacturers, how that's gone for me, tips and tricks along the way, roadblocks, all of those things I'm excited to talk to you guys about and share more. And let's see if a few months from now, I don't have a solid selling product in Amazon. That is my goal. And of course, the benefit of that is once you get started, you can add more products to your repertoire, and even within the same genre, you can just continue to add products, and hopefully I will have a nice steady stream of income from private label products on Amazon thanks to Alibaba.com. And hopefully as you follow my journey doing this, you guys can do the same with your stores and your accounts. Of course, I'm not going to stop thrifting. I love eBay. I love selling clothes and one-offs like that. But again, this is one more stream that I'm hoping to add to my income and to my business, especially as I anticipate getting really busy in the future. So thanks again, you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for taking this little topic turn with me. I'm really excited to continue this journey with you. If you like this video and you want more content like this, I really need to know. It helps me out so much when you engage with me. Thank you so much for those that do. Give it a thumbs up, give me a comment, ask questions below. I'll do my best to answer. Take care, and I will catch you next time.